Uh-oh, here we go again. Stay tuned to see if we can make this right. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. Alright, I bought this Craftsman V20 trimmer back in the summer of 2019, and then I did a video in the summer of 2022 that showed the spring issue that I solved, and it's been a pretty popular video. But fast forward to 2024, which means I've had this same trimmer for 5 years and it's still kicking butt. But yesterday, the second cap that I put on here broke, and ironically my spring went flying, and I was able to find it in the yard, which was total luck because I was in panic mode. So I'm going to see if I can get this thing back in shape and running again, and maybe this will help somebody out. So the string's all jacked up. I'm not going to waste the string. I can re-spool it. The cap's right there. You can see that. So it's still seated in there. Part of it. See if I can get it out. Push those two clips. So that's toast. This is the top of it. So 2021 to 2024, this cap lasted 3 years, and I used this at my lawn, my dad's lawn, my father-in-law's lawn, my neighbor's lawn, and the guy behind me. I take care of his property too, so it gets beat down pretty good and used daily in the summertime. So I did buy 2 of these back when I put that video up in 2021. So I'm going to open this bad boy up. This is a replacement cap. And again, you can see the difference in the size of the springs. This one's too tall, so I do not recommend using it. You have all kinds of issues. I'm just going to slide this on the new cap. The small end goes on this piece of plastic, so that's set up, and all I have to do is wind my string up, which I'll do another demo of that. It goes into that hole right there on the top, and then you click it down so it stays secured, and then follow the arrows. I'm going to wind it up fast. Just a tip too, that if you wind this up, this is 0.065, and just do it haphazardly. Sometimes it'll get stuck, so that'll cause a line feed issue. So try to take your time and do it halfway decent. So that's wound up, and gonna slide this bad boy in, pushing it through the hole on the side, snaps in, and then put the new cap on. That's back on, and it should click. That's line coming out. And some folks asked me about this. When you fire this bad boy up, it automatically line feeds. So you're going to get a cut each time you start this. So push that button and start. You can hear it cut. If I do it again, it's going to line feed again. Hear it cut. So the best way to use this is when you fire it up, just keep it running, and only line feed when you need to, which is by pushing this right here, which while it's running, it'll actually line feed. But if you stop, start, stop, start, stop, start, you're going to be cutting line every time. Use this button right here and just continuously run this while you're using it, which is different from the gas trimmers that we're all used to by hitting them on the ground to pop the string out. So 5 years later, it's still kicking. Recommend it. The battery is held up. I have not changed the battery, and everything for the string to the actual trimmer and the cap and all that will be in the description of the video. Hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you out.